Setting the path environment variable. Now your computer contains some applications, and one of these applications is the Java compiler. This application enables us to compile Java programs before we run them. But before we can access the Java compiler, we need to tell the computer which directory it should set anytime you call on that application. So before you can understand what you do now, let's go to the command prompt as cmd, then type Java compiler, JVAC, and press enter. Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. This is because we have not told the computer which directory, or we have not designated which directory the computer to search in order to access the Java compiler. So that is what the path environment variable does. It tells the computer, or it designates the directory where the computer should search anytime we call on that application. In order to set the path environment variable, we go to our drive, local drive C. We have the local drive C here. Then go to program files, and then access your Java folder. Double click and double click on the version, that is the JDK 1.7.0_21. that is my version. Yours might be different, so double click to open that folder. Now you can see everything, including the license, copyright, among others. Now let's click this. Now we need to copy this part. This is where we are going to designate for the computer. So we right click and copy this part. Then we need to go to our system environment variable. That is where we can set the path. So to access the system environment variable on Windows 10 is very simple. Just go to the Windows logo, just click the Windows logo icon and start searching for env. Just double click and you'll be taken to the environment variables. So now to set the path, just click new, then the variable name you type path, then in the variable value you paste the directory. So we click OK, then you can see our variable, our new variable here, then click OK again. So now let's go to the command prompt again and type Java compiler and press enter. And press enter. So you can see that we have not gotten that error again, so which tells us that we have successfully designated our directory where the computer to search anytime we call on the Java compiler. So in our next tutorial we'll write and run our first Java program.